just wanted to share with you some onions. Give you a little insight about the different types of onions you have out there. Now, well, we can start with the yellow onion. That's kind of your standard onion that you can pretty much use for anything and everything. The beautiful yellow onion. Next in the list, let's take this one. This would be the sweet onion. Sweet onions are a lot lighter in color and a lot sweeter, of course. This would be a really, really good onion to use if you're going to caramelize things, if you're doing caramelized onions, because it does have a higher sugar content. The Vidalia, if you know the Vidalia onions, those are a sweet onion. And I think it's because they have they're grown in lower sulfur, lower sulfuric type of soil. That makes it a Vidalia onion, and it makes it even sweeter than the sweet onion, I believe. Don't quote me on that, but I'm 99% sure that's the way it is. I love the red onions. The red onions work for eating onion, where you can just, I've never done that, but take a bite out of it, you know, for salads and sandwiches and things like that. They're great for slicing and just eating. Where I like these more for cooking, and this one for actual eating raw. So that's kind of what I would use the red onion for, plus the color. You get a lot more visual appeal on certain things. You've got the white onion. Now the white onion, a little sharper flavor, and it's really good for Mexican cooking. I'm telling you, you know, taco meats, salsas, things like that. Your white onion is usually your preferred one, and it holds up better. It has when you're cooking it, it doesn't break down near as fast as these other ones do. So if you want to cook something and you still want the texture of an onion in there, chili, put this in there and you're still going to have that texture of an onion. It's not going to be all breaking apart like a limpy onion like these are. So that's why I would use this. I do have some green onions here, scallions, whatever you want to call it there. And I can use every bit of this, all the way down to the root. Use it for decorations, of course, and for flavor too, because it has a very distinct flavor. Probably a sister onion to this one would be your leeks. I don't have any leeks with me today, but that is a bigger, it looks like a big scallion, and which is really good for like soups and things like that, because it does give it a more of a savory type of flavoring. And then the other onion I probably don't have here, which would be part of the onion family, would be your shallots. That's kind of your gourmet and very, very strong flavor. In fact, some people look at it like a cross between garlic and onion, and it does have just a little bit of that garlic. There's no garlic in it, but I mean, it's just a very, very strong onion, and it gets up there into that. So a lot of the gourmet chefs will use that to really blast onion flavor without a lot of onion in it. So that's what you would use for that. But anyway, just sharing with you some of the beautiful onions that we have on the market today. We'll see you next time, helping you get healthy one bite at a time. Get back here. Get back here. Stay. Good onion.